ver un grito de júbilo. Sí, Señor. Vamos, vamos a darle la gloria al Rey. Tú, victorioso Salvador, digno de adoración. Venciste a la muerte en la cruz, por tu llaga sano soy. Y tú, victorioso Salvador, digno de adoración. Venciste a la muerte en la cruz, por tu llaga sano soy. Y no daremos gloria, y no daremos gloria.
Watch closely now as they get ready to unfurl the flag. Above us, 12,500 feet. The temperature starts to get a little warmer. The flag is now deployed. Melissa and Skip Stewart circling. And very shortly we'll be giving the cue to one of the best voices in the country. One of the most chilling performances of the anthem, if you remember from the Pro Bowl not so long ago, and she's one of your own, ladies. Circles around him while he does it. Scott under the black canopy. He's from Boise, Idaho. Countryman aviation family. His father's a fighter pilot. Both grandfathers pilots as well. Scott is a combat veteran with the Air Force. And after the Air Force found himself right on the edge. Here he comes, nightmares. And it's Gee, and over she goes upside down, folks. She's okay and she's loving it. Crossing center point, down clock on turn, Vernon going straight back, picking up Blue Angel time. To the right, observe as the three wingmen smoothly shift back into the Blue Angel dive. You have seen several flight profiles of the F-18 Hornet. Lieutenant Chamberlain will now demonstrate precision roll rate control. Approaching center point, he will roll his aircraft 360 degrees, pausing after each 90 degrees of rotation, crossing center point in the inverted position. Ladies and gentlemen, the Hornet 4-point hesitation roll. As the formation pulls to level, each pilot will perform an individual brake turn and exit the flight line in a separate direction. Ladies and gentlemen, the Blue Angel barrel roll brake. He'll pass before you, virtually standing Blue Angel number 5 on its tails. At less than 120 miles per hour, the fly-by-wire flight controls provide slow-speed handling that sets the Hornet apart in the air-to-air combat arena. Ladies and gentlemen, the Hornet High Alpha Pass.
Time with the masterpiece. You should be rolling me. You should be rolling me. You're a real life fantasy. You're a real life fantasy. But you're moving so carefully. Let's start living dangerously. Talk to me,
Chief Jason. Ladies and gentlemen, flying Burlington number 6, the opposing solo from Durango, Colorado, Captain Jeff Koos. Ladies and gentlemen, flying Burlington